You don't need no other body. Only you can hold my body. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah. What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is, that ain't nobody but Sumi Sue. About to do the do. How are y'all doing? Is y'all good? Y'all all right? Listen, there's a lot going on. We got hurricanes. We're not gonna talk about it. We're not gonna talk about it. No, we not in this video. We're gonna have a good time in this video. Y'all didn't come here for a news report. Y'all came here for an escape. Child, okay, got to get myself together real quick. Listen, today we have a fun video. We have a sponsor coming through. Shout out to SheGlam for sponsoring this video. They recently released their Wild Heart collection, which is an animal-based collection basically, and they are going to be donating some cha-ching to a rescue organization, and I'm all about that. I absolutely love that. I think we need to treat our animals just as fairly as we would love to be treated ourselves. You see what I'm saying? They have feelings, they do, okay? So all the links for these products will be down in the description box, as well as a discount code, so make sure you check all of that out. And this is my first time to be trying out SheGlam, so I'm really excited to do this video. And they sent me all 5 of the palettes from the collection. I love the print. I think it's just so different. I love the, what is it? What do you call this print? Like the glitch type of artwork. Okay, so we have Flutter Effect. She is the butterfly one. And when you open her up, you have an array of blues and greens and a black, you know, going on in there. And then we have the Fin Within, which is the fish one. I absolutely love this because, you know, natural born fish. Okay, now she's very colorful. She has blues, purples, pinks. You see what I'm saying? So she's a little bit more on the colorful side. Really, really pretty. And there are some crushed glitters in there. I'm kind of leaning toward this palette because, one, it's pink. Okay, and it's just, you know, I love crushed glitters and stuff like that. Then we have Forever Feather, which is the bird palette, another green palette. Really, really pretty. I like it. It's just so fun. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yes. So this one is giving you earth tones. I see greens and the browns, but the greens are on the, like, olivey side. So it's definitely giving like an earth vibe. Very toned, colorful, but toned. You know what I'm saying? So I also love this as well. Kind of leaning towards this. I am not sure what that is going to do, honey. Then we have the Wolf Calls. The Wolf Calls is the wolf palette. Oh, you know what I'm saying? He just having a good time on their child. Okay, he is chilling like Macmillan. And I feel like this is more of a smoky type of palette because you have grays and blues, so you can create some really nice smoky looks with this. Really, really pretty. It's been a while since I've done a smoky look, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to do something a little bit more colorful. And last but not least, we have the leopard. This one is called Viva la Leopard. Okay, and you see the leopard just chilling on in the forest there. Okay, and another earth tone. Really love that swirl color right there. Thought that was really, really cool. But I like this, you know. I also see some more olives in this, and, you know, just some really, really cool palettes. They also sent me a mascara, double-sided mascara, and some lashes. So we're going to play with this collection once again. Shout out to them for really, you know, coming through and hollering at your girl. Super excited too. I don't know which palette I'm gonna do. Like I said, I'm leaning towards the pink one, but girl, what is we gonna do? Like, I just yeah, this one is calling me because y'all know I love blues and purples, and I love pink, so it has everything, and y'all know I love glitter. So I feel like we can do a really fun look with this one. So you know what? Let's play with this palette. So we're gonna put the other palettes away for now, but they will be back in other videos, okay? But for today, let's focus on the Fin Within, because honey, I do have a Fin Within, natural born Pisces. We just gonna put that out there real quick, although I don't care nothing about astrology and those type of things. Don't really believe in all of that. But anyways, yes, the Fin Within is definitely the palette that we're gonna be playing with. Super, super duper pretty. I'm gonna try and fit as much colors as possible on my eye from this palette. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, listen, talking too much. Okay, so let's zoom in so we can get within. Ooh. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and have some fun with this palette. Super excited. So what is we gonna do? How we gonna do this? Okay, you know what, let's just play it safe. So first I'm gonna go in with the pink shade right here, and with that I am going to start to build my crease, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade as well. So I'm just gonna, you know what I'm saying, like really do the, y'all know how I be. Okay, yeah, let's do that. I don't know what I'm doing, child, but we gonna do something. Okay, so very lightly with the same brush and nothing on the brush, I'm just going to angle myself and start to just like lightly scratch on that area. We're not applying a whole lot of pressure, you know, we're just lightly just buffing that out. And that's what's going to help us blend and create our transition. I'm always ducking, getting lower and lower, child. Help us. Oh, okay. You don't need no other body, only you can hold my body. You see the blends? Okay. It's acting like a little eraser and just smudging that out, okay? Okay, next we are going to go in with the darker purple right here. And with that, we are going to just carry that. We're going to do some more building on the crease, you know, really define that. And that is called Swim for the Win. And honey, we gonna stroke in that water, honey. We to the finish line, okay? That's what we finna do. Very beautiful matte, deep, dark, royal purple. Okay, that purple was a lot more deeper than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's really deep. So what I wanna do is go on top with the lighter purple. And with that, I'm gonna try and lighten it up just a little bit, just to see if that does anything. And if not, whoop-de-whoop, child. Yeah, it's giving me more of what I wanted. I must say, the pigmentation is there. The color is there. It's giving what it's supposed to give, honey. Okay, now that we have that, I am going to go into deep blue, okay, which is a shimmery blue shade, not quite glitter, even though it's reflecting that way. It's just a shimmer shade. So we're gonna do like a little halo type of vibe, and then I think I'm gonna put one of those glitters right in smack dab in center, child. Okay. Okay, this color is actually cushiony. I wasn't expecting that. It's not a dry shade. It's one of those like cushiony type of shades, if that makes any sense. Like I'm pushing my brush in there and I can actually see the print of the brush. So this would be great to apply with a silicone applicator or your fingers, but I'm gonna use the brush. The brush is doing just fine. Okay, in the center of this, I'm gonna go in with this like, I don't know, lilac-y, bluish shade. I think this is also gonna be one of those creamy type. Yes, it's creamy. I like this. I like the formula. It's super creamy. I hope you can, I don't know if I can show y'all this, but like you can actually see it's creamy. Can you see that? Nope. Like it's really pretty. So with this, I'm just gonna pat this into the center and lightly pat on the edge. Shimmers are extremely easy to blend into each other, more so than matte, so you're not gonna have a lot of problem there. But I like this. This is really pretty. Okay, this is extremely pretty. I like this. This is beautiful. Oh god, yes. So what I'm gonna do is just go back in with the brush that I had with the purple on it, and I'm gonna tap into the lighter purple, and very lightly I'm just going to buff around that and kind of brush that over, just so we have a nice little blend between the shimmer and the purple. You see how everything looks a lot better now compared to like over here. So you definitely always want to go back in and do just a little, you know what I'm saying? We don't need no other body. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go back into Swim for the Wind, which is the dark purple. Okay, we're just gonna pat that right on the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna go in with some of that pink after I'm done with my face. Y'all know how I like to do. Okay, and when it comes to my lower lash line, I like to pat more so than like swipe. If you're a person that has contacts in, patting is a lot better than swiping, because sometimes you get some of that eyeshadow on your contact and it's the most annoying thing. So to avoid that, patting is definitely the way to go. Okay, and looking up, of course. Okay, so I definitely want to put some glitter in the center of this, and there is this Hooked on You glitter in here, and it's basically like a slate grayish blue type of color. So with that, I'm just going to use a silicone applicator and just tap it in there, because I just want to spackle it on. I don't want it to be like super intense, and that might be a little bit too much. This glitter already has an adhesive on it, so you don't have to worry too much. And I'm just going to just pat that right in the center. Look at that. That is pretty. And spread it out a little bit. Just pat it around. That is gorgeous. You see, it just gives it a little bit more oomph. You know what I'm saying? They did provide me with some lashes, but I'm not going to be using these because they're really natural, but really pretty. These are called Sasha. So I'm just going to go ahead and whip on my lashes off camera, and let's zoom out so we can show out. Okay. Okay, so the lashes are on and it's time to do the face. Now, like I said, Lady Red is in the building, so I'm going to take a little treat for myself and hope you guys don't mind. So I'm just going to speed up the whole entire face process. You guys are going to watch me do it though, but it's going to be sped up. I'm also going to be playing some music, and I just want to put this in here really quick. I always get asked about the songs in my videos, and I never do list them. One, because I can't remember and I use so many. Two, I get everything from Epidemic. It is not, I'm not used to, I'm saying it's like a subscription for YouTubers and video creators, so I'm gonna have that link down below for you guys as well. So yeah, that way you can go and check out all the music you want, but you do have to pay for it, and it is quite expensive. That's why I don't really talk about it a lot, because it is music created for video creators, if that makes any sense. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's just do this face, honey, and enjoy some good music. Okay. Let go.
Said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. Like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess
Okay guys, so truth be told, we are done with this look. Hope you guys didn't mind the sped up version, but like I said, I just wanted to take it a little easy today. So the last thing for me to do is to put in my tear duct color, and I think I'm going to be taking this light shade right here again on a fluffier brush. Just kind of try to pick it up as much as possible because it is creamy, and just pat that right in here. I think that's the only color in this palette that's gonna do this inner area some justice, and I know I was right. These eyes are pretty. This lip is bomb. This face is sitting. Okay. Not too bad for feeling all bloated and off today. Okay, we did the do. Okay. Okay, I lied. Last thing for me to do is to try out the mascara. Okay, so it comes with two ends. One is the type of wand that I really like, you know, like it's kind of like bushy, like the brush type. And then you have like the comb type For my lashes, I find that the brush type is a little better. So you can tell this is the comb type. So yeah, the wand is nice. Yes. Okay. Oh, that coated them nicely. I know I'm not zoomed in, but girl, y'all know I always skip mascara, but for the sake of the video, I'm just trying to show y'all. I never record mascara because I feel like everybody know how to put on mascara at this point. Boom. Okay guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short and sweet, but I just wanted to come in and, you know, get straight to the point. Okay, sometimes it's like that. Once again, shout out to SheGlam. Absolutely love the palette. Super cute. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out the description box. Everything will be linked down below. Okay, I think it's really great and I'm here for it. All right, yes, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. If you like the vibe, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Yeah, follow me on all of my social media accounts, you know what I'm saying. Share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really soon.
Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night time, get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too.